Have you ever opened your dishwasher expecting freshness, but got a whiff of an unpleasant smell? Let's fix it the affordable and natural way. First up, a cheap and readily available hero for your dishwasher smell: white vinegar. It's not just for salads. Then, meet trusty baking soda, a kitchen staple that's more than just for baking. Set a bowl filled with white vinegar on the top rack. It's a gentle but effective cleaner, and great for deodorizing too. Next, sprinkle baking soda at the bottom. This natural scrubbing agent helps neutralize odors. Who knew, right? Set your dishwasher to a hot water cycle. These natural cleaners work best with a bit of heat. Just sit back and relax for a while. Check this out! A clean, odor-free dishwasher, all without breaking the bank. And the best part? It's non-toxic. Using these two simple ingredients, you've transformed your dishwasher. Cheap, natural, and effective.